We are pleased to show you the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.